Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be super busy. We have 2 pit stops to make, then getting to the hunt quarters, and then we're heading up to Riverside to go check out the progress on the throtl 36, guys. I am so excited. I've seen the renderings, I've seen some progress photos. I cannot wait to see this thing in person. Just so you guys know, the unveiling is going to be AutoCon. So the car will be at AutoCon this weekend, this Sunday, April 29th in Los Angeles. If you guys want to see it in person, come check it out. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you at AutoCon. All right, pit stop number 2 is picking up some posters we had made for AutoCon. I'll give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek when I get to the hunt quarters. Who doesn't love a good tunnel? So I almost forgot that today's YouTube video is sponsored by Tool and Die Designs. They sent us a whole bunch of t-shirts, pretty cool. There's a bunch of styles. Let me flash back to when I unboxed these. Huge shout out goes out to Tool and Die Designs for sending us all these awesome t-shirts. I will put a link to all their stuff in the description, guys. If you guys want to support us and support them, please go ahead and check out their products. You guys won't be disappointed. It's pretty awesome stuff. Time to head up to Premium to see the E36. Let's go! All right, guys, you want to see the car? Here we go. Quick glance. Just kidding. You guys actually thought I would show you? I just got to look at the E36 for the first time. Ooh, it's about to be so good. I'm so excited. Can't show you guys just yet, but what I'm going to do right now is walk down the street to Nifty Built Wheels. Gonna go meet up with Ricky and see how everything's going with the wheel rebuild. We are getting down to the wire here, guys. The wheels are still being polished right now, and then Ricky has to build them, seal them, get the tires mounted. It is going to be close. So just rolling with a Jefe right now. Actually sent the front lip and side skirts that was made by Diffusers and More. I sent that to the wrong address, so thankfully their neighbors still have the package. We're gonna pick this up now and I will unbox it at Premium.
One eternity later.
All right, after 3 hours of unpackaging this, I finally got to the splitter. Josh, you definitely do an A1 job with the packaging. This is really, really nice.
Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we get this done.
Finally opened up the splitter and it looks freaking awesome. So the powder coat is actually a lot nicer than the powder coat that was on my rear diffuser. And it's already got the holes. So the only holes that I'll need to drill into this is for the splitter rods, which unfortunately are not here at the moment. But what I will do is go grab the front bumper and we will mock this up, see what it looks like. This bumper assembly actually has a lot of different pieces. So we have the OEM M3 bumper, then you have the OEM M3 front lip, then the Rieger front lip, and then the splitter. So I'm gonna try to mock this up. I don't have any hardware or anything like that, but we'll just get a good idea of what it's gonna look like. So ready, right about, dang, that is super aggressive. So I will have I believe, some splitter rods that go from right about here to there. Those are in the mail right now. Let me see if I can show you guys. Wow, that's super aggressive. So I have matching side skirts in here too. These side skirt extensions, we'll go ahead and open those up. And I think once we have all of those installed, it's gonna match so perfectly with this rear diffuser. So I've had this on here for almost 2 years and have had nothing to match with it. So, damn, that looks really good. Huge shout out to Josh from Diffusers and More for hooking it up with this splitter. If you guys are interested in that, please check out the link in the description. I'll put a link for all of his stuff and his social media. Go toss him a follow. Dang. These splitters also came out really good. I just mocked them up on the car. I'm not gonna show you guys what these look like just yet. You're gonna have to wait and see. But overall, quality looks awesome. Powder coat looks really good. These are, I believe, water jet or laser cut. And very, very impressed. So huge shout out once again to Josh. Thank you so much for sending these out. Let's remove the diffuser. I want to actually get my hands on this car a little bit, try to help these guys out. There is a lot of work to do for it to be done on Friday. So just took off the diffuser. I'm going to clean everything. I know it's not going to look perfect or as good as the new diffusers and stuff I picked up, but I think I can clean up pretty good. It is powder coated, it's not painted. So just got some detail spray. Let's go ahead and just wipe it down. Boys. See ya. Thank you. Absolutely. See you, dude. See you soon. See you, dude. Good meeting today. Yeah. Good job today. Killed it. Obviously, my car is being wrapped at Premium Auto Styling. If you guys haven't heard of them, well, I'm sure you have. I will put a link to their YouTube stuff in the description below. These guys kill it. But besides doing wraps, they sell some really cool products. They sell a ton of overlays, a ton of taillight tints, a lot of DIY type stuff. So if you're looking to mod your car out and you haven't really done anything yet, one of the first things you can do is things like that. Those simple things can make a huge difference. So if you're interested in that, please check out premiumautostyling.com. Support your boys. They do some really good stuff here. So can't say enough good things about them. I just realized I totally forgot to close out that video. Now, before I let you go, I wanted to challenge you guys and I wanted to ask you something. So as you guys know, we've been trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by my birthday. Now my birthday is this Friday and I don't know if we can get there, but we're gonna do a little contest, hoping it will motivate all those people who are watching this right and that are not subscribed. Now I can see the analytics. I know that over 60% of you guys watching this right now are not subscribed to the Throtl YouTube channel, and I wanna challenge you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little giveaway. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is do the following. 1, subscribe to our YouTube channel. 2, follow us on Instagram. And 3, comment on our most recent post on our Instagram account that says, I'm subbed. Once you do all that, you will be automatically entered to win your choice of either a Throtl windshield banner or engine t-shirt. That's it, it's as simple as that. We're gonna be picking the winner on Friday. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.
My name is Mickey Andrade, and I work for throtl.com.
My name's Evan Beckerman, and I'm one of the co-founders of Throtl Marketplace.
My name is Rick, and I'm co-founder and CEO of throtl.com.